In this video, I'll explain what social media marketing is and why it's important for the success of your marketing campaigns. Social media marketing is a process of creating content for different social media platforms in order to drive engagement and promote a business or product. Social media marketing enables you to connect with your customers and help them better understand your brand. Why is social media such an effective marketing tool? There are so many reasons. First of all, social media is an excellent way to increase brand awareness. Brand awareness refers to how familiar people are with a particular business or product. Think about a time you saw a social media post that caught your attention from a brand you didn't know. If you can remember that brand now, that's brand awareness. Social media platforms engage with over half of the world's population. And according to a Pew Research study, over 70% of social media users check their accounts at least once a day. People use these platforms to interact with their friends and family, as well as companies, so you can connect with users whenever they log in. This makes social media a natural place to target new customers. Social media also helps you build stronger relationships with your existing customers. It gives you the opportunity to build their trust, help them solve problems, and show them that you care about their needs and opinions. Additionally, marketing on social media can help you grow your business by driving more traffic to your website. By sharing your website content on your social media platforms, you can direct users to your site every time you publish a new post. You can also increase website traffic by including your website address in all of your social media profiles so that people who want to learn more about you can easily do so. Social media is also one of the most powerful marketing channels for generating leads. As you learned previously, a lead is a potential customer. On social media, a lead is someone who took a specific action that made them a potential customer, such as filling out a form, subscribing to a free trial, or clicking on a link to a discount code. Many social platforms provide advertising formats specifically designed to collect leads. Social media allows you to gain valuable insights that can help you inform your marketing strategy. Learning about your target audience's likes, dislikes, and interests through social media can help you tailor your marketing strategy to that audience. Analytics tools offered on many social media platforms enable you to gather a large amount of data about your target audience as well. Additionally, social media provides an opportunity for you to learn about your competitors. Researching what your competitors are doing can help you emulate what is working for them and improve on what isn't. Another great benefit of social media marketing is that it is cost-effective. Most social networking platforms allow you to sign up and create a profile for free. Also, you can reach users based not only on their interests and hobbies, but on the personal and demographic information they choose to share with the social media platforms. This narrows down your audience to precisely the customer you want to target, so you can avoid spending your budget on a wider audience. Social media marketing has been greatly beneficial to my campaigns at Google. For example, I recently launched a new product feature in the market, and it was important for me to connect with users that would find this product helpful. Social media helped me share digestible information that increased the awareness of the product among users and guided them to a destination, in my case, Google Ads Help Center, for further reading. Businesses of all sizes can benefit from a social media presence, though strategies can differ depending on the company. At a big company, you might work with a team of designers, copywriters, or even an agency to create content, while at a small company, you might be doing more of the work yourself or with a small in-house team. The benefits I've described here are just a few of the many reasons why this marketing channel is so useful. Because of this, social media marketing has become a crucial element of many companies' business development strategies. Next, we'll discuss the basic principles of social media marketing.